I really don't know what's going on with this water here, you know. It does a bubble up in the road, so welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, from the other day, me no know, me see this water does a bubble up in the road, so and the pipe run pan the left and pipe run pan the right. Me no know, no pipe run in the center and the center of the road is Cedar Valley. Me no know. Anyway, hopefully I don't know if it create no big damage. Still, anyway, my viewers and my subscribers, a lot of rain from the other day. Oh, phone side I go on up the center my side here, so I rain like worries, man. Whole heap of days what I rain, so we just go and sit back and enjoy it, you know. Hope you all keeping yourself safe and dry, viewers and subscribers, you know. So we are showing you some little rain thing we're going, as you can see the water bubble. Comment down in the comment section what you think are going on underneath here, so viewers. This water does a bubble up, so. You understand? Anyway, as I said from the other day, lot of rain, viewers, lot of rain. Can't complain, we can't short of water around this side here, you know. So as I said, just open the wall, keeping yourself safe out there. Remember, we are in the storm season here now, so just hope the best. Because Jamaica can't take a next storm. I can't take a storm right now. You get what I say, viewers? No, we don't see that. I don't think, viewers. No, sir, we can't. After this whole heap of billions have been spending for develop road and places and then storm to come mash it up and set it back. No, Jaja. None of that. We can't that now, viewers, honestly. So anyway, we are showing us still, you see it? Yeah, man. Showing you what go on and make you see some little thing what go on from the side. All yesterday did bad, you know. What me are showing you right now, this is another half tour the day, so. Viewers and subscribers. But still I make you see what go on. You get what me I say? I'm gonna run no fight, run off, you know, viewers that are right up a guinea tree. I just see them no asphalt here, so you know, viewers. Them no asphalt here, so. But the reason why they don't asphalt is because them are going to bust it. Yeah, and put culvert there. You get what I say? So the water, the back up here so wicked and a back water come and dig where you so. So the water can't get to move freely, so the people can't get to walk. People couldn't even pass here so. Because when somebody call me and tell me, and by the time we reach it run off already, but me just still show it for sure say, you know, apart in that condition. But them all work on it still, viewers. As me say, you can see them no asphalt it, them skip it. Because them go bust it and put culvert there. Control the water. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man. So bless up on yourself, each and every one of them. As me say, you know, keep on yourself safe, you know. And we are heading, we in a stormy season now, so that's what. We have to just hope for the best, you know. Hope and pray and hope for the best. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man. Naturally, man. We, you know, still not ease up. So that's why we don't want the rain and now to come settle back, you know, viewers. No, we don't want the rain to come settle back, you know. I see people have to put things to go in their yard. Yeah, so that's why them buses for the water can't hit them till nobody can walk, come out of them yard there, so. You get what I say, viewers, so just continue to watch the video, you know. Yeah, man, I see some more and so the river. I go put on in khaki suit. Like that we are going to show it, you know, viewers. This gully are going good. I saw gully if you move water off a road. You get me? Yeah, man. So gully if you move water off a road. I saw culvert if you move water off a road. Take it, carry it, go dash it out in a river. See it, viewers? Yeah, man, straight out in a river that it carry it, go, you know. Yeah, man, water enough is stay upon road. No, water stay upon road where you believe road are going to mash up. So them something I will like see when water move them way, yeah. And take in the river, you know. And put on in khaki suit. Our phone side are going viewers with water. Pan center my side we are telling us we are get lots of water. The weather is on us. The weather is up on us. The weather there, viewers. Yeah. I do a video the other day and I show us about drought. I tell us the amount of grass that about now for animal eat. More than John read about. Remember me tell you that, viewers. So we still have to give thanks to the water same way, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks, man. So viewers and subscribers, I will say we are showing you what is going on the center my side. So speak with your mind down in the comment section. What about your side? When I get rain? So just continue watch your video, you know. Bless up to each and everyone. Manners. Back in the days, you know. some big man. When all them river come down them way, yeah, back in the days. Big man, it all cross them, you know. So what? Comment down in the comment section. I brave the big man and the brave and them youth nowadays. Because I don't see them youth do them thing nowadays. I don't see them do it. You get my say viewers, but back in the days, big man cross them river here. Me witness that the big man cross them. You know what I say, but them are youth nowadays now do it. So the big man and the brave and them time they are. Speak your mind in the comment section, viewers. Let's talk about it. Yes, honestly. Back in the days, I see some big man go cross him and something, man. I tell him, say, yeah, move, because you say, I go wash it. My young boy, yeah, nothing like that, sir. Anyway, I'm not saying that they must do it still. Leave it alone. For them can't do it, leave it alone. We just mention it. You get what I say? Yeah, when I say a young boy will put themselves in it and get washed with them thing. Nobody at all, at least. I want to remember this, viewers. Nobody can cross it. Only me alone and I can cross it. Nobody can cross it. Cha cha. Well, this is one part, viewers, we need to solve. This is one part I need to solve. And I guess it's not hard to solve, all I'm have to do is just do the right thing. As you can see, the water circle on the road because it now know where to go. That's why it's circle. You know, I say viewers that around a rock, center must the water circle, yes, and it only can get worse. It now get better until it's solved. As you can see, viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, the water come from up there, so. Up there, so the water come from and come down. So it just have to solve. All them have to just bust it, clean out the culvert underneath this and make the water move. Because if the water circulates and stays for too long, you know what the next thing I'll do. I just the road I go mash up. So just continue watching the video. Bless up to each and everyone. So my viewers and my subscribers, my family sub, I don't know what they do, so just do they do, So this we bring it to enough make you see how the weather going up this side in Trinityville, St. Thomas. It's not really committing any great damage, but so make you see the weather is on us, weather is up on us. May I say, we're in the stormy season, so remember that. So we just go and keep yourself dry and safe. Hope you all do that too, also viewers and subscribers. So now that you come to the end of another video, so if you leave a like for my video, thank you very much, man, and thank you very much for clicking on my video and watching my video. See you people in the next video. Bless.